Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to go over how long does the JBL Pulse 5 battery last. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering how long does their battery actually last. Now with that, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of explanations involved, but to simply put, your JBL Pulse 5 on a full charge will last you about 12 hours of playtime. Okay, it's going to last you about 12 hours of playtime, but with that 12 hours of playtime though, you do get a light show as shown here. So as your music plays, the light show is gonna go in sync with what's playing with the music. So once again, it's gonna have 12 hours of playback time. And now with that, one of the reasons why your JBL battery might be draining quickly is possibly due to playing at really high volumes, using a faulty charging cable, or maybe it's really hot outside. That can also affect the battery life, and also leaving it on unknowingly. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.